Hi everyone, this is Christine. Welcome to my channel. Today I am doing an Amazon purchase that is called Bostanten Women Leather Wallet. So it came in one of these and it's right here. This is a bifold wallet. So it says right there, it's Women Leather Wallet, RFID blocking small bifold zipper pocket, wallet card case, purse with ID window. Well, that's a mouthful. They just want to make sure they cover everything. And so when we open it up, it looks like this. Let's see. There. Like that. So opening it, it smells like leather. This is currently $38.99 Canadian. I purchased this and it was lightning deal for about 28 bucks. And so you open it. So it's got two closures right here. If you have too much, then you can stretch it out on the very top. Or if you don't have much, you just put it at the very bottom right there. Right when you open it, there is a slot right here where you can put your ID with a window right here. And on the other side is another with no window where you can just put your card. So there is no pockets right here. So it's just the front and the back. And then here is a little pocket itself where this came from. So when you open it up, there's that little cardboard in between it. There is another window here, and you can fit three cards right there. And back here, you can put something else, maybe your receipts perhaps, or cards that you don't normally use. You put it here. And there's another pocket here as well. So there's one here and here. So if you move up, there is another one right here. As you can see from my fingers, that's pretty deep. Let's see how far this one is. This one is same thing. Just right here, that goes in. And this one, let's see, it stops right there. So that's how deep it is. So it's very deep. You know, you can put lots of stuff in there. And right here, there are 1, 2, and 3 slots as well. So there's 3 slots here. There's 3 slots right here. So it's pretty much identical. There's 2 here and there's 2 here. And when you go to the top part or the side part, however you want to look at it, there are 2 pockets that you can put your money in right here and right here as well. So take off the cardboard. If I put my hands in there, so from right here, that's how deep it is. And the other one is a little deeper, it seems. Let's see. No, it's about the same. So it's up to the knuckles right there. And right when you get to the back, so when you close it, it looks like this. So there's a zipper in the back. This has a little extra material right there, so it's easier to open, just like that, and close. Just like this. So to compare this with the current wallet that I'm using right now, it is, let's see, it's slightly bigger compared to that. The only difference with this one is I want to combine these two, since I have this one for my debit and credit cards are right here, and this is separate. So this one, I got some money and my cards, like my Costco card, and just random cards that are more important, you know, like my ID and everything are in here. And it also has a little wallet, coin thing here, but really it's too small. If you got lots of coins, then this would not be ideal. So to get an idea, I'm going to transfer this into here, and let's see if it fits and closes. So I'm just putting my cards in here. These are our health cards in here of my kids and I. So if you live in Canada, you have your what they call OHIP cards. And look at this one here. I found this in my vehicle door. Isn't that so cute? It's a heart shape. So I'm keeping this. I'm going to put that in the little zipper pocket here where it's safe. And a little more cards to put in here. So if your cards are a little too big to go in here, I find it that it's just easier to put it on the sides here. Let's see. And I got my, you know, other cards like my Air Miles and my Optimum card for, if you're Canadian, you got it for Shoppers and Loblaws. So I will put that here as well on this side. And I got a $50 bill that I'm gonna put in here, just there, and it fits nicely where it's not sticking out, so it's good. And I got my health card for my kids, and my Costco card is right here as well. I just went to Costco too today. And let's see. That's how it looks. Okay, so now what I would like to do, so far it closes, no problem. See, didn't even make a dent out of it. I'm gonna go put this in this thing here. So I'm gonna put my cards there, and my debit card right there. And just like that. So yeah, I'm gonna start using this and put it in my little bag right now. And as I put it in there, no problem. If you've seen my other videos, you guys would know what's in here. But yeah, didn't make a dent, no problem. So if you are interested in purchasing this, I had purchased the brown color. They also come in reds. There are light blues and blacks and dark blue. So pretty much even yellow. I remember seeing the yellow, but I wanted this one or the red. But since I have the red already, I opted for this color, which is, I find that it's easier to find your things in here rather than going with the black. So if you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.